Today we're going to change the bilge pump switch on the Basstender 11.3. We got the area switch changed. Now we're going to do the bilge pump. Take off these 4 screws. Once remove the 4 screws, take off the switch panel. The new switch is the same. Leave a part number in the description below. This one has the on-off on it. The old one didn't. Just a plain switch, so I'm going to switch them to this style. It's pretty simple. We're just going to remove these 2 electrical connectors. One that goes to the fuse on top, one that goes to the boat is on the bottom. We're just going to push out the old switch. Just push it out. And just push the new switch in. Just slides right in. There it is. Hook up the electrical connectors. The one goes in the fuse, goes to the top. And it goes to the boat, goes on the bottom. So there is to it. Bilge pump switch is replaced. Now I've upgraded the bilge pump and the aerator. Tighten it back up, good to go. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.